Hello cuties, good morning. So these all plants are free for you. Absolutely free. Let me know in comment box which plant you like the most. Then I will provide for you. See, so healthy and beautiful plant. If you like, comment below and let me know which plant you like the most. I will provide for you. Now everyone thinking why I provide free plant for you, because answer is simple. I want share my plant with you and make happy everyone. So I am going to provide free plant for you. Now let me know in comment box where are you from. Then I will, if there is possible for you, then I will provide. If there is 1% possibility to provide for you, then I will definitely provide for you. You can comment me where are you from. I will provide for you. Every plant is very healthy. See, this is a orchid. Coleus different. I have a different color in coleus. Sansevieria, small sansevieria and large sansevieria. This is a indoor plant. This is a flowering plant. If you want, I will provide this also. See, this is a jet plant, snake plant. You can see every plant is healthy. This aloe vera also is healthy in condition. This is the plant. So many plants in my garden. This is a geranium. Strawberry also.